Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to cash out from your bkash application. Firstly, open bkash mobile application on your device and ensure you have an active internet connection. Tap on the cash out option, which is usually found on the home screen. Input the bkash agent number you wish to send the money to. This can usually be found by asking the agent directly or throughout communication channels. Now, enter the exact amount you want to withdraw from your bkash account. For security, enter your bkash PIN to confirm the transaction. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll receive a transaction ID. It's essential to keep this for your records in case of any discrepancies. By following these steps, you can easily cash out your funds through bkash app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more bkash tutorials.